Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix camera not working in Windows 11 PC and laptop. I will be sharing few very effective solutions that you need to apply one by one, and I'm very sure that you will be having the solution with you. So make sure that if this worked for you guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's absolutely free, and also like the video. And still, if you have the issues, then let me know in the comment section. Now, very first thing that I would recommend you that if you are using any external camera on your laptop or on your PC, then try plugging into a different USB port, because many times because of some faulty USB port your camera is not working. So try connecting to a different USB port and see that if this fixes the problem. And if not, then in the next step you need to make sure that the camera access has been turned on from your Windows 11 settings. So for that, make a right click on the Windows icon, then choose Settings from the list. Now from the left in menu option, click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and here you will find Camera. Click on it. Now here at the top you will find Camera Access. So make sure that this option has been toggled on. If it's been disabled, you won't be able to access the camera. Now below that you will find all the applications here. So make sure that for whichever application you are trying to use the camera, like for Microsoft Teams, Discord, Skype, Google, for whichever, so the permission for that particular app also has been enabled. Okay. And once you are done, check back if this fixes the problem, and if not, then you have to reset the camera settings. So from the left in menu option only, click on apps, then click on installed apps, and now here where it says search apps, click on it and type here camera. And once you get the camera, on the very right of it you will see the three dot. Click on it, choose advanced options. Now scroll down and you will find the reset option. So click on reset, reset again, wait until this has been completed. And once done, check back again if the problem is fixed. And if not, then close everything. Make a right click on your Windows icon. From the list, choose Device Manager. Once the Device Manager comes up, here look for the cameras, double click on it, and this will display the camera that you are using. Make a right click on it, choose Update Driver. Then go with search automatically for drivers. And if it install the driver, it will let you know and it will automatically download and install it. But if you get this message, the best driver for your device are already installed, then click on Close. Again make a right click on it, choose Disable Device. Then click on Yes. Now again go back, make a right click on the camera and choose Enable Device. Okay, once you are done, again check back, and still if you have the problem, then again make a right click on it, choose Uninstall Device, then click on Uninstall. Now click on the Action tab from the top in menu. Then click on Scan for hardware changes. And this will again bring up your camera. So after doing this, check back, and I'm sure that this will be fixing the problem of camera not found on Windows 11. And in case still if you have the problem, then you have to manually download the camera driver from the official website of your manufacturer. So for that, open Google Chrome or any of your favorite browser. Go to Google and search for the camera driver by typing the name of your manufacturer. So let's say that if you are using a laptop of HP, then type HP camera driver for Windows 11. Okay, then you will see the official HP website. So let's say if you are using Dell, then you have to type Dell. If you're using Lenovo, then you have to go with Lenovo. Similarly, you have to type the manufacturer name followed by the camera driver for Windows 11. Then from the official website, click on it. Now here you can see that I'm getting an option, let HP detect your product. So if you have an HP computer or laptop, in that case, you can click with this option and it will automatically detect the camera on your device, and it will automatically give you the message to install it. Okay, similarly, you can download for any other manufacturer. After downloading and installing it, restart your PC and check back. I'm very sure that this will be fixing your problem. Okay, so that's all guys for today. Hopefully you will be getting the solution after watching this video, and if yes, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and still if you have the issue, then let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care, bye bye.